Hi, I'm Cody. I'm an Assistant Pastry Sous Chef here at Walt Disney World Resort. I chose to work for Walt Disney World because of the diverse inclusion. I grew up in a very small town, so I wanted to branch out and do something a little different. Inclusion is very important for me. Being able to work in an environment where you are supported and you have peers that are constantly uplifting you, not judging you for who you are. I started my journey at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort. And I transferred from there to Disney Springs to Amarets Patisserie. And then I got the amazing opportunity to open this resort, Disney's Riviera Resort. The fun thing about Disney is we have different pastry shops all across property that specialize in different things, whether it be French cuisine or American-style patisseries. You can really choose whatever you would like to do in your pastry journey. One of my favorite celebrations is actually guests coming that are celebrating their last treatment of cancer or a remission birthday. Actually, when I started working with the company in 2015 at the Polynesian, one of my close friends got diagnosed with cancer. And so unfortunately, she passed, but it's just the ability that some get to come and celebrate the victory of life and continue to move on. It's amazing that we get to work with such talented individuals. We come to work each and every day, and we are always teaching each other techniques, whether we learned one from someone else. We always want to pass that along. So at the end of the night, closing down the bakery is such a good feeling. Just knowing that we provided the guests with the most magical experience that we could, and that we brought some magic to someone's day.